The brand Terra Incognita has a range of accessories for working with camping gas equipment and kitchen utensils. So we decided to combine them into one review and will now demonstrate each one in turn. Some of these accessories are new products from the brand, while others you may have seen before. So let's start with the adapters for gas cylinders. Adapter. This is a simple and compact adapter that allows the use of a threaded type burner with a cartridge gas cylinder. Cartridge cylinders are firstly cheaper and secondly more common, meaning they are easier to find for sale. Therefore, such an adapter can be useful for owners of threaded burners. Although any threaded burner can be connected to a cartridge cylinder using this adapter, in practice, it is more convenient to do so with hose burners than with those that screw on top of the cylinder. If the burner is screwed on top of the cylinder, the structure will be quite unstable and using it will be uncomfortable. The adapter has two positions, open and closed. Before installing the adapter on the cylinder, the adapter must be in the open position. Place the adapter so that the protrusion on it fits into the groove on the cylinder, press, and turn it to the closed position. After that, we attach it to the burner like a regular threaded cylinder. The weight of the adapter is as follows. Next is the adapter tube, which is also an adapter from a threaded connection to a cartridge connection. However, with such an adapter, it will be convenient to connect threaded burners that screw on from the top to the cartridge cylinder. It has a tube that extends the cylinder to the side, while the burner itself will be positioned low to the surface on which the structure stands, supported by wide, stable legs. These legs fold for convenient transportation. With such an adapter, it will be convenient to use any burner and even an integrated system. How to use it? Simply screw the burner onto the thread and then connect the cylinder as shown in the video. Please note that this protrusion on the cylinder should be on top and not in any other position. Do not turn the cylinder upside down. It comes with a bag for transportation and storage. You can see the weight and dimensions of this adapter on the screen. Next, we have the spark flint. The flint is a device for creating fire. It looks like this, a rod made of ferrocerium alloy with a handle for holding, from which a spark is generated by friction. This flint is designed in a convenient compact format, as the case that houses the rod has a plate that can be used to strike sparks. Such a device can serve as an emergency source of fire. It is not afraid of water and will not break. Sparks are struck on prepared tinder, after which it ignites. The Windstop windscreen is a wind protection screen made of thin, not lightweight, but durable aluminum, which folds compactly. Designed to protect the burner flame from the wind. The Windstop is available in two sizes. The larger one is suitable if you have a top-mounted burner, while the smaller one is for a burner with a hose. The screen is installed around the burner, necessarily at a small distance from it, and is secured to the ground with built-in stakes. A carrying and storage bag is included. The weight and dimensions are as follows. Cart pot handle. A universal handle for use with cookware for campfires or burners. A simple device that allows you to hold a hot pot or pan without burning your hands. Since this handle is not stationary, it does not heat up along with the cookware. Made of lightweight anodized aluminum, it weighs only 42 grams. Additionally, there is a stand for threaded gas cylinders. This stand increases the stability of the cylinder along with the burner, making it much easier to cook outdoors, especially when the cylinder needs to be placed on sloped or uneven surfaces. The stand folds compactly and does not take up much space. It is compatible with the most popular sizes of threaded cylinders, namely cylinders with a volume of 100, 230, and 450 grams. The weight and dimensions are in front of you. Links to all these accessories will be in the description below this video.